Hello students, so today we are going to see how to do a lip sync. Okay, for that I have this character in front of me, and I have some visames which are actually created in Adobe Animate. You can also bring such visames by downloading them from some free stock websites and then bringing them to Illustrator and maybe copying and pasting in Animate. So let's begin. First of all, what I have done is that I have kept one file here with all my references of the labels, okay, that I'm going to use later. This is important for your reference because you need to label your keyframes later for the lip sync to work. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my original file and I'm going to select all of the visames, and as you note that as of now I'm on a layer which is mouth layer, and rest other elements of this character are locked. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to go to modify. Once all of them are selected, I'll go to modify and then I'll convert them into a symbol. Okay, once I convert them into a symbol, then I need to work within the layer of that particular symbol. So I'll just rename it as, for example, mouth expression. So I'll just take a smaller name and I'll convert them as a graphic symbol with the registration in the center. Just click OK. Okay, so once the symbol is ready, the graphic symbol is ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click and go inside the symbol. Now I'm into the timeline of this symbol. Here again I can just say mouth expression XP. Okay, so it will ask to put a underscore, so it will just put it there to make sure that the layer is properly named. Once it is done, now what I have to do is the first keyframe shows that I need to have an expression here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to align with the one on the main timeline here like this. Just keep it there. Now moving on to the next one, just click here and click here. So we have another keyframe, and this time I'm going to just delete this. I don't need it, and I'm going to delete them as well. Okay, so you will think if I deleted them, how I'm going to reference this, because I have these here. Okay, so no worries. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make sure to take another one from here, copy from the first frame and just paste it on the second frame like this and align it with this smile. Okay, again make another keyframe, and this time again now you have to delete this one. You don't need it. Go back and this time delete this one because you've already used this. So I'm going to take this one, Control X, and go back and paste. Okay, like this. I can take some of the, okay, again I'm going to create another one and delete this from here and go back here and take this one this time, Control X cut, and I'm going to paste it. Again create another one, go back, this time select this one, make sure to select the whole thing and Control X cut, go back here. Okay, need to delete this and paste the other one, the new one. Align top with your reference. Click here, delete it, go back, this time take this one, Control X cut and paste it. and then again go back here, delete this one, this time take this one, Control X cut, go back here, you can keep any expression. There is no right way of putting it on each frame. You can choose whichever you like and just put it, because later on Animate anyways is going to do its work by making sure to arrange it according to the voice that you are going to put, or the sound that you are going to put. So again, just almost we are reaching the end. Okay, so I'll just put it here. Now I'll have another keyframe, delete this one, go back and put this last one. Okay, and last one is here now. I just delete this and I'm going to take this. Okay, now important thing is that once you have all the expressions within different keyframes, you already see there is a movement happening because of frame by frame animation. Okay, now what you need to do is, before you go out of the symbol, you need to label each frame. Okay, so for that you need to go back to your reference and ensure that you are matching the each expression with the reference that you have. Okay, so go back here and see, okay, this straight smile, what is this reference called here? BMP. Okay, so I'm going to relabel it as BMP. So I'll just click on the label and I'm going to the properties, frames. With the frame selected, I'll just go back to here, BMP. Okay, frame, and just name it as BMP. Okay, so you'll see the label has appeared. If you like to see that whether the label is coming properly or not, you can see here. Okay, that labeling is done. Same thing you will repeat again for the other one. So you need to first see what exactly is the expression on this next one and match it with the one here. So this is TH, so go back here and just say TH. Okay, and then repeat the same thing for this one, and this is L, so I'll just label it as, go to frames, L. So you can keep on repeating the same thing for the whole process till the time you reach on the 12th frame here. Okay, so I'll close this tutorial for now and we bring a new one where I'm going to put the sound and we are going to have a lip sync.